Hey there, LB Trader here. As you can see, it was a losing trade today, but oh well, so be it, right? So yeah, just a quick recap. Those who wants to know what happened, I lost money today, as you can see in the screen here. Not too sure why. There was a huge ass bearish candle. There was no news, what I remember. So let's take a look. Yeah, the news is at 10 p.m. It's not even a high impact news, to be honest. And there's a strange candle at 10:30, right? Maybe there's some big players in the market just waiting there to push the price up, but whatever, right? Don't give a damn. I will just do a quick recap today. It's gonna be a very short video. I can run through the trade that I found earlier in the afternoon, but it's actually the same old strategy. Okay, so without further ado, just to show you why I took this particular trade. Okay, based on this price action here, what I'm seeing is that it actually came down like this, something like that. Okay, this was what I'm seeing. So when I saw this, it actually broke this high here and this high. So after that, there was a retest and the bullish movement actually came around this candle here. Okay, so just based off this candle, what I was actually thinking was, I'll just zoom it back. Okay, I was in the market, I was watching it, I was at my parents' place. I went back to have dinner, changed my fish tank water, and this particular candle happened. So when this happened, I thought that okay, this looks like a good trade, right? Maybe the wick is a little bit big, so maybe I shouldn't take this particular setup. But regardless, I still took it, so I'll just own up to it that I did take this particular setup. Okay, so yeah, I took this setup. So let's just do a quick exercise as per normal, right? Open up the position size calculator. I'll zoom in for you. It's a little bit small. Choose your currency pair. My account size was 100,000. I risked a total of 2% because this is my challenge account. I also took the trade on my funded account, which is I think it's 0.25% instead. I didn't take a full 1% or 0.5%. I took a 0.25% because I was in a huge drawdown. So I decided to just take a bit, just not to miss out on trading, because actually, to be honest, these are actually legit trades that I would have actually taken. Okay, so stop loss pip, let's see, it is 1524. So 1524. Okay, it's about 1.31, but actually I didn't put a 1.31 trade because I was actually measuring to here, which is about 1624. So let's just measure 1624 first. So we'll see a lot size that is roughly similar to this, right? 1.23. Okay, so yeah, basically put your limit order where you want to enter. So in my case, it's actually here, but my lot size calculation was actually higher lah. Okay, so yep, I put it here. My stop loss, I actually take reference from this particular candle wick here. Okay, so as you can see, it's immediately. So what I did was I just copy and paste my stop loss and take profit just to get a 1:1. Then I actually went to set an alert. Okay, so I set an alert over here, and I set another alert over here. As you can see, this pink color line. And when that happened, I just let it play out. I went home, saw the price action going up and down and everything, right? So when this actually happened, actually around on this candle here, I actually posted the trade setup on my Discord. So as you can see here, under the Discord, you can say, took a long position, let's go. Okay, so that was like about 9:18 p.m. So 9:18 p.m, which is around here lah, between this candle and this candle, in between these two, I actually sent the screenshot, right? So yeah, I really did took that setup. I post the trade idea in my Discord group. Okay, whoever took it, I'm sorry if you lose money, but it's all part of the game, right? Now, when this happened, I just let it play out. I reached home, I went to take a shower. Then the price went up higher. Then suddenly this happened. Then because the wick is so long, I take it as okay, it's just a retracement. It's gonna go up further. But unfortunately, it didn't. It went down. But there's also a wick, right? Since the wick is here, this is still a bullish candle if you look at it, right? It's still a bullish candle, just that it has it is of the opposite color. Then this happened. Okay, I think it's fine. This looks fine. then it start to go down further. And when this happen, things doesn't look good. I was thinking maybe if it breaks this area here, right? Maybe this is where I should consider taking a stop. Basically exit the trade earlier. But I just left it as it is because I was reading my book. Right, as per usual, I haven't finished it yet, but the Intelligent Investor, this is more of a stock investing book instead of a forex trading book. But I was reading that book and just let it play out. Eventually, the candle play out, okay. Alright, actually if you take a look here, it didn't even break below here. Okay, it break here. Technically, if I was actually watching the market, I might want to take a position, exit the position. But if you can see, right, the wick here is so long. If it's so long, technically I was thinking, okay, buyers are still in the market, they are still trying to maintain this level, they want to bring it up. But unfortunately, suddenly out of nowhere, a huge ass freaking candle came about and it stopped me out. So that's the reason why I'm doing this video recording so early at 10:43 p.m. Okay, so yeah, now the candle is just playing out, but basically my rules is once I got stopped out of a trade, I will not take any more trade for the day. Okay, I'm done for the day. Yeah, I'm not going to look at the market anymore as well. Maybe we can take a look what happened to this particular setup tomorrow, whether they reverse back. But if let's say, right, anyone is still interested in taking this setup, now my bias is actually bearish. Okay, if you want, you can consider here. Okay, but your stops you have to put it here. Okay, but this is 2,100, so I don't think this is a good level. But if you want to take, right, if you still want to take this particular setup, you can consider this. But too big of a stop loss, usually I'll just cap it at 20,000. Okay, I'll cap it here like this, and that's it. So we can see, right, I'll just leave this here. We can revisit it tomorrow and see what actually happened until midnight, because midnight is technically where I will exit the trade, regardless is it a profit or a loss, right? So just to show you the setup that I took on my terminal, okay, you can see here, right? Oh, sorry. Okay, so as you can see here, right, entry is here, then my exit is, oh, they never say where's the exit lah. Fuck lah. But never mind, you know that the exit is here lah, huh? So there was a loss of 2%, okay, today, about 34, that's about 11 minutes ago. I took a trade, got a stopped out, my lot size is about 1.23, so you can see here, lot size 1.23, exactly the same as what I calculated. Okay, so yeah, hope everyone will have a good trading day for the rest of the day. If you're losing, take it easy. If you're winning, good for you, I'm happy for you, keep it up. Okay, if there's nothing else, like, share and subscribe on this video. Feel free to join my Discord as well. Mr. Mario and I, as I mentioned in my earlier videos, Mr. Mario and I are building a community, so feel free to join. You can check us up there. If not, you can hit me in the comments, I will still reply, not to worry about that. Okay, and yeah, I think that's all I have for you today. I'm going to carry on reading my book. No more trading for today. I will see you tomorrow on the next daily recap. Bye bye.